sprinkle in some more. He is very nice. When he's on holiday, I take his field of rice and open up a store like many times before. The best that's found in M.I.A town. Hurry, 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 buy my rice and curry, buy my rice and curry. So hurry, 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 buy my rice and curry. Buy one for two, special price for you. I really don't know why I never have a customer who wants to come twice. Although I guarantee my secret recipe, the best that's found in M.I.A town. Hurry, 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 buy my rice and curry, buy my rice and curry. So hurry, 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 buy my rice and curry. Buy one for two, special price for you. Oh, hey, oh, curry num num, curry, curry, curry num num. Curry num num, curry curry num num, curry curry. Oh, hey, oh, curry num num, curry 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 num num. Oh, hey, oh. The rice is a little sticky, and so I got a clue. If I throw away the curry, I can sell the stuff as glue. Everybody like it, they like it very much. The best that's found in M.I.A town. Whoa, oh, curry num num, curry curry num num, curry curry. Whoa, Doctor, oh, buy my rice and curry, buy my rice and curry.